Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device, and when it is fully loaded, you will end up within the home page. From this page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on its settings, which will take you into the settings option. If you haven't already added your email address, you can simply tap on the Supercell ID option and you will be taken into the login page. You can tap on the login option and you will be allowed to enter your email address to log in. If you already have a Supercell ID added, then tap on the menu button and then tap on Supercell ID. From there, you can simply log out from your current Supercell ID and then proceed towards logging in by tapping on the continue button, and you will be allowed to enter your new email address that you wish to use for your account. Just type in your desired new email address and then tap on the login button, and after entering the verification code that you received within this email, you will be logged in and your account will be switched right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.